Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kashmiri Wazej Cxaman or lal paneer, or you can call it Paneer Roganjosh. Wazej means red in Kashmiri. This is an easy to cook paneer or cottage cheese recipe and it's a treat for paneer lovers. It lends its red color from Kashmiri red chili powder and it's cooked in aromatic spices and tastes amazing. So let's get started. For making this, I have taken paneer or cottage cheese around half a kg and I have made these thick cubes. You can see. In Kashmir we make thick cubes. So here you can see this is the thickness of one cube. And the other ingredients include 1 black cardamom, 4 cloves, 5 green cardamoms, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 cinnamon stick, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of dry ginger powder, 1.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder. And I have taken oil around 4 tablespoons and I'll be taking some extra oil for frying the paneer. So first I have heated up oil and then I have added paneer cubes to it. We have to deep fry paneer the way we do for Kashmiri dish. We have to deep fry it on both the sides. So here you can see once it's fried on one side, so I'll flip it to the other side. So likewise we will fry all the paneer pieces. Meanwhile I have boiled water with a pinch of turmeric. So once this is fried, I'll dip all the paneer pieces in that water till we make the gravy. So here you can see I have boiled water and added a pinch of turmeric. Then I am adding all the paneer pieces, fried paneer pieces to it. This way it remains soft. I have heated up oil in a pan. Then I'll be adding spices, all the whole spices to it, and ginger garlic paste. Saute them properly. Then we'll be adding all other spices. Here the flame is between medium to high. We don't have to keep high flame here. So I'll be adding other spices, fennel seed powder, coriander powder, ginger powder and chili powder too. I'm not adding garam masala here. Garam masala will add later. So once I add chili powder, I'll be adding a tablespoon of water so that the chili powder doesn't burn. So once it's fried properly, I'll be adding more water to it. And then we will add paneer pieces to it. And salt also. I have added salt also. So you can see we'll give it a mix and then we'll be adding paneer pieces to it. Once I have added all the paneer pieces, I'll be adding more water to it, around a cup of water, so that all the paneer gets soaked in and they will get the taste of spices. And then I'll keep it on high flame for around 10 minutes. So I'll cover it and keep it on high flame for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, you can see the gravy is also thick. And you can take the paneer and salt too, and I have added garam masala here. Now I'll keep it on low flame for around 5 to 10 minutes. So here after around 5 to 10 minutes on low flame, you can see the paneer. You can adjust gravy according to your taste. Even salt and chilies you can adjust according to your taste, more or less. You can add more water if you want thicker gravy, or even you can use mutton stock for extra taste, but I'm making it totally veg, so I'm not adding any mutton stock. I have added plain water. So here you can see the gravy also. See the color also, it turns gorgeous red. And I'm keeping thicker gravy, not much. Here you can see it's quite thick also. You have to check the tenderness of paneer too. So this was quite tender. So here you can see it's ready. So at this stage I'll turn off the flame. It's served hot with rice, or you can take it with roti also. So I'll let it settle and then I'll dish it out, and it's ready to be served. Here is the mouth-watering and easy to cook Paneer Roganjosh or Lal Paneer or Wazej Cxaman ready. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.